Start. So join your feet, breathe in backward bends, breathe out slowly forward bend, breathe in this time, take a left foot behind, raise the hands up over the head for the warrior, one pose and stay there for the 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Turn the body and go for the warrior 2, watch your right middle finger. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Reverse warrior pose. Look at the fingers. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Rest a palm in front of the ankle. Another hands up for Parshakonam. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Turn the body. Put your hands down. Increase the distance a little bit. Legs apart. And go for the push-up for 10. 1, 2, bring your chest in middle of the palm. 3, yes, don't move the neck. 4, lovely. 5, 6, inhale up, exhale down. 7, 8, lovely. 9, 10. Go down and stay there, stay there, stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come up and take up both the legs back for Kumbhakasana, Dandasana. Yes, stay there. And now lift your left leg up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take about shoulder weight ahead. 6, 7, 8. That's it. Rest your knee down. Go for Shashankasana. Breathe for 2 to 3 times. Rest your chest, chin down for Suryanamaskar. Take your palms behind your back, interlock fingers and go for the Shalabhasana variation. So breathe in, lift your upper body and lower body. Exhale, go down. Breathe in up, 8 counts. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, breathe out, go down. 5 more times. Inhale, exhale, go down. 4 more. Inhale, exhale, go down. 3 more times. Inhale, exhale. Last one more. Inhale, exhale. Now come up and hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go down. Keep your palm next to the chest. Go for the cobra. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go for the mountain. Downward dog facing. From downward dog facing to come to the malasana. Jump and go for the malasana. Again go for the downward dog face. Mountain. Second count. Go. Jump. Go back. Yes. 3. Jump ahead. Go back. Lovely. 5. Jump ahead. Go back. Easy. 6. Yeah. Come back. Yes. Last one more. Come on. This is 7th. Go. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Now come ahead and stay there. And here in Malasana to Utkatasana. Chair pose. Half. Up. Breathe in. Go down. Breathe out. 2. Yes. Less weight on your palms. 4. Correct. 5. Too late. 6. 7. 8. Go down. Slide your hands a little bit ahead. Give entire weight on your palms and go for the jumping jack. Join your feet. Back straight, knee straight. So breathe in, backward bend. Breathe out your palms in front of the chest in Namaskar asana, pranam asana. Relax.